Hey, we're here at SEMA 2022 in the Oracle lighting booth. We've got lots of new Bronco products that we're debuting here at the SEMA show. So we're going to go ahead and take you through some of the key products that we're featuring. The Oracle LED illuminated letters. These have been very popular. We make these in every letter of the alphabet, so you can spell out your name, your Bronco's name, or just spell out Bronco if you want. These come in amber or white, and then the finish can be white or black. The Oracle Oculus headlights have been very popular for the Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator. We've taken that same proven technology, durability, and reliability and repackaged into a format for the Ford Bronco. So these headlights feature a bi-LED projector and a halo ring that can either be white or amber. The Oracle triple LED fog lights fit perfectly in the Bronco steel bumper. These lights mount using the factory hardware, and we include a wiring harness to either connect it to our included switch or to the factory aux switches. Our new LED side mirrors for the Ford Bronco provide a ditch light type light where this is shining out and giving you peripheral visibility. These are utilizing 12 LEDs with forward firing light at about a 45-degree beam angle, so you get a spot and fog kind of combo beam, and these are just perfect if you have light bars already shining straight forward and you need more peripheral visibility. These install, just basically replace the factory mirror covers, slap these on, connect the wires to your factory aux switches, and you're good to go. The Bronco integrated LED light bar has already won 3 awards here at the SEMA show for uniqueness in the off-road market. This product features a super sleek aerodynamic design where it looks almost factory with the factory hardtop. These white clearance lights work and come on with the daytime running light, and then with the headlights, they turn amber to provide an amber clearance light. Or if you don't want the clearance lights at all, you don't even have to hook them up. But this light bar is so bright, we really shouldn't even turn it on at SEMA. It's 18,000 lumens, and it projects light over 2,000 feet. This product's now available. It comes in the cyber gray that matches the factory hardtop, as well as a matte black if you want to paint it yourself or match it to a soft top. Our new RGB+W rock lights are now available. We've got them installed in the Bronco, but obviously this is a universal product. What's great about the RGB+W rock lights is that you get all the cool color changing lights, but then you also get a true white light as well that you can easily switch to. What makes them kind of unique is that they actually shine out in 3 different directions. So one pod gives you the light output of what you would normally need to put 3 pods inside the wheel well. So mounting one of these pods up top will shine light to the left, right, and down on the tire as well to give you maximum coverage. So with a 4-piece kit, you could potentially get as much light as you would with using multiple LED rock lights in a single wheel well. These can be controlled through the included remote control or through our free app. All right, and then you'll notice behind the rock lights, we've actually got a Starlight pattern here in the wheel liner. So this is a new product that we're offering. It comes with a kit of 4 individual light heads, each having 150 fiber optic cables. So the wheel liner gets fitted with the fiber optic cables, then it goes to the light head. It creates basically light that goes into all those fibers and creates this pattern that you see here. So for a 4-piece kit with the controller and everything you need to install into each individual wheel well is now available from Oracle Lighting. Now moving on to the interior. Obviously the interior of the Bronco is kind of a little bit boring, so we decided to go ahead and add our fiber optic LED dash kit to the Bronco. So this is a product we've been selling for a while, and it just adds a little bit of pop of color to your Bronco. So you can control this with the RGB controller to make it match whatever theme you have in your Bronco or have it change colors. If you've tried to use your Bronco in the cargo area, you probably noticed that it's really dim back there. There's not much factory lighting. So one cool product that Oracle Lighting now offers is our rear cargo light. So basically what this does is this housing here replaces the factory windshield wiper cover that's there from the factory. And then when you turn it on, you get a ton of light down on the ground outside the vehicle, as well as a light here that shines into the cargo area. So if you're trying to dig through there, find gear, or sort through something, you can actually see what you're doing at night. And one of the most exciting new products that we have here at the SEMA show is our new Ford Bronco Flush LED taillights. As you can see, these taillights are completely flush with the body line. The factory taillights stick out about this far, and what that does, it makes them prone to damage when you're riding the trails. You might hit a rock or a tree. Taillights get ripped off pretty common, and for the LED taillights, it's expensive to replace them from the factory if you can even get them. So the Oracle LED Flush taillights are a great solution for that. These actually have a super bright reverse light. This is basically an LED light bar that you have here as your reverse light. So you're gonna have no problem backing up at night. We have full compatibility with both models of LED and halogen taillights. The bliss sensor is separate from the taillight. It's housed down here, so you don't have to worry about dealing with anything with the sensors. It's a pretty straightforward installation, and we've been getting a ton of positive responses here at the SEMA show. All right, so that pretty much wraps up all the new Ford Bronco parts that we have here at SEMA. We hope you enjoyed this tour. be sure to check us out. We're gonna have lots of new Bronco parts coming out in the near future. So give us a follow on social media, YouTube, @OracleLight, or check us out at oraclelights.com.
And this is our 2018 to 2022 pre-assembled Ford Mustang headlights. These are our dynamic color shift with an integrated turn signal. So you get the color shift features out of this headlight package, as well as a turn signal option out of this pre-assembled out-of-the-box headlight. And here's another product release from Oracle Lighting at the SEMA show, the 2017 and up Superduty flush mount series taillights. These are plug and play, integrated LED border, high-powered LED reverse light for 2017 and up Ford Superduty. And another release by Oracle Lighting is our Jeep JK flush mount LED taillights. These are plug and play for the 2007-2017 Jeep JK. These are the integrated LED border along with the high-powered LED reverse light. And here's the showcase of our entire Oracle LED flush mount taillight series, starting with our Jeep JK, Ford Superduty, Jeep JL, Jeep JT Gladiator, and the 2022-2021 Ford Bronco.